Question 12. So, factorizing, this means putting in the brackets. So what is the biggest amount of stuff really in each of these two terms? Well, c times c and 5c, so the biggest factor of each of these terms is c. So taking a c outside the bracket, c times what gives us c squared? Well, that's c times c. Get the sign right, it's a minus. And c times what gives us 5c? Well, that is 5. So c bracket c minus 5 close bracket, and of course you can just check that you're factorizing by expanding it, so going the opposite direction with the claw. C times c is c squared, c times minus 5 is minus 5c. Now this is one of the index rules. Remember, d to the power of 5 times d to the power of 7. When you're multiplying, you add the powers, so that's d to the power of 12. Now for part C, when we're factorizing a quadratic, we're going to have a pair of brackets. Our first term is going to be x in each, because x times x gives us the x squared. Now our two magic numbers, remember we multiply, these magic numbers when multiplied give us minus 30, yet when added they give us the coefficient of the x value. So here it's 1x, so when added they equal 1. So two magic numbers multiplied to make minus 30, add to make 1, that is 6 and minus 5. So x plus 6, x minus 5, or x minus 5, x plus 6. Now for part D, so we've got to make B the subject. I've done that over here in purple. So I've started off by undoing the multiplying by half by multiplying both sides by 2, doubling both sides. So 2b equals ab squared. How do we undo this multiplying by a? We divide by a. So 2p divided by a equals b squared. How do we undo the squaring? Well, we do the opposite operation, which is square rooting. So the square root of all of 2p divided by a equals b. So b equals the square root of all of 2p divided by a. Now for part E, we want to really, with this algebraic fraction question, the hindrance is this dividing by 3 and this multiplying, dividing by 2. So how can we undo both of these in one go? Well, we can do that by multiplying by 6. So that's where that red 6 is there, there and there. I'm choosing to multiply each of the three terms, so the two terms on the left and the term on the right, by 6. Now before I actually do that multiplying out, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we've got 2 lots of 2x plus 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we've got 3 lots of x minus 5. It's here. And 4 6s are 24. So I've made this now a single level problem. So make sure you can get from here to here. Okay, the shortcut way is just to think of it as cross multiplying. So 2 times 2x plus 3, 3 times x minus 5, and then the 6 lots of the 4. But that's a shortcut. Make sure you understand how you get to that, because otherwise you're very much in danger of forgetting to multiply the right hand side by 6. So from then onwards it's fairly straightforward. So we do a claw and a claw. 2 times 2x is 4x, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Gather our x's, we get 7x. Gather our normal numbers on the left, we get minus 13. So 7x minus 13 equals 24. Add 13 to both sides, divide both sides by 7. We get x being 37 over 7, or 5 2/7.